Hello everyone, welcome to FPL Subs. In today's video, we have a special topic FPL template, chill and pill picks. This is a sample image from live FPL website, link given in the description. For my team, after the match between Villa and Leeds, two players from my team has already played, as you can see in the effective number of players played section. Yes, I doubled up on Villa attack with Grealish and Watkins, but that we will discuss in Game Week 6 analysis video. Link will be added later. So, two of my players had played with compared to the 1.27 for overall. You can also get a comparison with top 10k. Live score is 3 for me, whereas overall average live score is 4.55. That can be seen in live scores bonus included section. This is from where you can see the live points and rank while the matches are still going on. Also, you can check points between you and top 10k just to ensure how much you need to cover. The template for my team is 57%, that is just below average of 60%. If you have a template rating higher than that, then there is a high chance of getting more points from your players. The more players you got who are selected by lots of managers, the more chance of higher template rating. As I do not have any Everton asset who are highly owned and also sparse players who are in top demand with higher ownership, that's why my template rating is such. For an example, let's have a look to the template of the current number 1 manager in this season. This is the Game Week 6 team for the current number 1 FPL manager, and here is the total points so far after the Villa and Leeds match. Please keep in mind these stats are only after the Villa and Leeds match. Now if we look into the template, the rating of the template is 72% with the like of Kane and Dominic Calvert-Lewin included in the team. What is template? We can call template rating as the ratio of ownership percentage between your team and the team with highest ownership players. It helps you to get more points as the highest owned players are performing very well. That is why they are highly owned. If you look into the template rating of the few top players, it is above 70% for all. And it also helps to avoid point drops as most of the managers will get low points if these players blanked. So the overall average will be low if the highest owned players do not get points and vice versa. As an example, Son and Kane are highly owned. So if they get points, you will score on the higher side. But even if they do not get points, most of the managers will not have those points too. So there will be a minimum point drop. There is also a counter theory of differential peaks. The players who are not highly owned but have potential to score high points. The concept of this theory is to get more points than most of the managers by selecting a player outside the template called as a differential peak who has low ownership but high potential. As an example, I will share two scenarios. The first scenario is the king himself. Mo Salah is a must-have for this game week as he is in top form. Have weaker opponent and almost half of the FPL managers have him in their team and might also captain him. He is a perfect template player in this case. Now let's have a look to the differential pick for him. With only 8% ownership, Sterling can hit the ground very easily. And against a weak team defense, he can easily outscore Mo Salah. In addition to that, his upcoming fixtures are also good. Adding Sterling to your team will not increase the template percentage, but return from him will get you almost same points as Salah, and any extra points will help to rise in the rank, as not many managers in the top ranks as well as in overall have Sterling in their team. His teammate Mane is also a very good differential pick with only 9% ownership, having exactly the same fixtures as Salah. Second scenario will have Son with more than half of the managers having him in their team. Is a template selection, and the differential picks for him will be Rashford or Pulisic with 5 and 7% ownership respectively. Both of them are looking in very good form lately, and attacking returns are waiting to happen. This is a FPL manager who have Salah, Kane, Rodriguez and Dominic Calvert-Lewin all in the team. Here is the total point so far after the Arsenal and Leicester match. If we look into the template, it is almost 74%. But despite of having high template rating, there is a rank drop as the template players fail to deliver till now. Next, I want to discuss is the chill and pill picks. As I mentioned in Game Week 6 transfer video, link given in description. For any particular team, if any player is injured or not performing well or the upcoming fixtures are tricky and the replacement you are looking for is cheaper and also having higher ownership plus having good fixtures, then you can easily make the transfer and it will be called a chill pick. Let's have one example. Dominic Calvert-Lewin is a chill pick as he is playing in a very attacking Everton forward line with great form. His poacher ability is helping a lot to get the goals, even against the tough opponents. He is still available for a nice price, already better than any striker around his value, and even performing well than the strikers above his price. In case of pill picks, suppose we want to get some coverage for any particular player or team performing very well, but not getting the player who is highest owned or the player in hot form. Then, to at least get a part of the points from that player or team, we need to bring in the second highest owned player or to bring the player involved with the source of points. One example will make it clear. In my case, I do not have and want Aston Villa defensive player, but I cannot bring Martinez or Mings because either I have already a goalkeeper and do not want to change him, or I am not having sufficient budget to afford him. Then, at least to get the clean sheet points, I need to get a Villa defender like target to cover those players. I have given this example in my Game Week 6 transfer video and it is called pill pick. Or in another example, you can see it seems that the Saint attackers have gained some form lately and they are performing very well during the last matches also you have seen. But Ings due to his high price may not fit in budget for many managers and Che Adams is a perfect pill for Ings in this case. To construct a team, you should have a balance of differential, template, chill and pill picks. Let's have a look to my team, whom I think falls under which category. McCarthy is certainly a chill pick, as he is performing better than most of his competitors both around and over his price. As I do not want a differential pick in this position and I do not want to do a goalkeeper transfer for the template pick, I am happy with McCarthy. In defense, Trent Alexander-Arnold is the template pick. Size and James are the chill picks, with Size now having potential to be the template pick and James moving towards more of a differential. But I already have Lascelles for that and do not want two differentials in defense. So I will certainly move James out in one of my future transfer. In midfield, Salah and Son are the template picks and I am extremely happy to have them both in my team. Grealish is the chill pick with a great potential in upcoming matches and also well owned. Bowen is the differential one in this case. Finally in attack, Mitrovic was my chill pick and Martial was differential at the start of the season. But with Martial being in very bad form and finally a red card has brought Jimenez as a chill pick. He will be there in my team until I decide to swap him with Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Once Everton starts to play with their full strength squad. And Mitrovic with a drop in his ownership was a differential, so I moved him out for a better differential like Watkins. And happy to own him at least for next 10 game weeks. Werner was the template pick as the start of the season with almost 45% ownership. But his form, his out of position play has resulted a big drop in his ownership and potential of scoring. With just 20% ownership currently, he is a mega differential and left me with no template pick at attack. You know whom I indicate. Yes, I have an eye on Harry Kane for a long time now. And game against Brighton might be the perfect time for me to bring him and improve my template rating. I will let you know the template rating once and if I get Kane. Maybe after the Europa League matches and in Game Week 7 transfer video. Hope I have given you a brief idea about template rating and have thoroughly discussed my thoughts about the different types of picks. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Also, please comment about your thoughts so that I can improve the content more and come up with more videos with your inspiration and suggestions. See you in the next video about Game Week 6 points and Game Week 7 transfers. Till then, take care and goodbye from me. Please do like, comment, share the video and please subscribe the channel before leaving. More videos are planned and your involvement will be highly appreciated. Goodbye for now to all my fellow subs. Keep enjoying and see you in the next video.